just posted a little photo on the best place to possibly ever get a bushing that you can use that keeps your razor forks from going clack, clack, clack is from these. Oops. So you got to sand them down, cut them. You know, there's a couple of options. I used a belt sander and tilted it till they got to the right size. But that's it. Just got a few more new bolts left. And I'm not going to be making these forks anymore. I'm done. VMC bushings is basically what I got left. But those were sucky. 20 millimeters, but 12. It's more like 12 and a half, right? I paid for them just so we could all do it. These are the ones that are too short from old bikes. And here's some experiments, you know. What is this, 100 and 108? I don't know how to say it correctly. Johnny Siu? But these are yours, Johnny. This is going to be fun. Yeah, I'm done. It's been a blast. Time for me to make something else, right? Move on. I need growth. Here we go. I used to always tell everybody, bushing, washer, bushing. But in Johnny's position, it's like bushing, washer, spring, bushing, washer, bushing, spring. So I want to make sure he's ultimately happy with his ultimate bike. Ronell makes very nice razor builds, and I love it when he requests parts from me. I make custom stuff all the time. That's what I do. I make custom stuff and manage a research lab. So like, and I don't spend time on the computer. I build, I create, I'm the hands. A lot of people are the computer and the research. That's awesome. I don't have the attention span for it. I'd rather build. I can build something while you tell me about something that you've designed and help you work the flaws out without looking. So that's my gift from the car gods. I'm super grateful. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and continue on Johnny's build. It took me about 10 minutes to get all the beads out. I'm pretty sure it's clean, but can't make promises in the razor world. We're back. That was the fork that I have basically on a scissor jack with some cardboard and foam. As tight as I can get it right now so that it'll bow outwards. What I need at minimum is 121 millimeters. We have son of a biscuit. 118. This one's going to be a little bit tough to install right now, but I know you'll get it. I'll send you a little extra basket of goodies to make sure that you can get this one and the next fork and whatever you want to do next done, because I'm done. I'm going to let these guys stretch for a little bit while we build it. I've got it as tight as it'll possibly get. Oh, maybe not. Get a little tighter. What did I do with my caliper? 110, 119. We are almost there. This is so difficult. Damn, I still have 2 more millimeters to go. That's all I can do. Hey, White Bear. Sorry, scared my dog. Man, that's like 119, man. That's as wide as I can get it right now. 119. We'll just let it stretch for a little bit while we work on it. Oh, is it a puppy? Hey, she's back. All right. Thank you for trusting me, Weta. So usually, if I can't ever really grab them, oh, that thing is not moving. What I'll do is I'll get a spring hot and use it to retrieve my cup. Then you just let it cool. And once it's ready, pull it out. And it'll probably have one of those little nipples stuck on it too. Looks like I got it loose. Manage now. There it is. Begin. You apply pressure, which is also the same thing you do when you're trying to chase your dreams. If you're met with resistance, apply pressure. How are we looking on our timer? Got it. All right. That's on there. There we go. Just had to unscrew it. And that's why it's nice to have a really long spring that happens to be the exact same inner diameter as this metric cup. Wow, that was a perfect seat. I need to do that to this one. These are stainless steel, so they heat up differently. Got some of that smoke in my eye, and my eye burns. Look at all this. After all that inside. Before we can chill. There you go. What sound dust floated in the wake of his retreat. You guys are good. that one already has it in there. So we're good to go. We are good to go. Those two spring sets are done. All I gotta do is slide the cartridges in and then put the sleeves on. Oh yeah, we forgot to trim the nipples. Much easier that works. Alright, trimmed. Now that's anti-clack, that's 3 different stages of spring rate stiffness. And when it comes down, it'll be pillow soft. So we should really enjoy that. Next we gotta put in the sleeves. Boy, get in your cage. Oh shit, it's stuck on the whip. You let go of that. Ooh, doggy. Alright. Same thing when you go to put them back on. Inside the lip. Don't cut yourself. One side wants to help, one side wants to kill. Don't let your thumb get pinched in between the nylon and the lip. Fun. Next, last time. Do not compress. Let it do it itself.
It's been a golden afternoon.
Alright.
I remember having the familiar
It's upside down. I don't want to wear these gloves anymore. Alright, so okay, now if you're assembling the fork and you don't have a scissor jack open, you spread the fork before you install it. AKA if you need this when you go to put the wheel on, this is how you do it. But with the point up, pyramid up, brake side needs to be facing you. Okay? Now you can put the sleeves on, or we call these jackets, you can put those on now. Now it's time to put in our new, longer Schrader valve, tire valve, bolts with the bushings on. What I like to do is make sure it comes through the bolt, stick it in through the washer and the spring, and then make it go all the way down into the head tube. Here's the other one. Alright. Washer, spring, rubber bushing. Okay. Now we change out the end of that T-handle I was using for a jack. Here's the T-handle. Here's the Allen wrench and thing. Okay. So that was the original one, was a 5. Now we're going to use the 6. And it's always a really good habit to put whatever you're using back wherever you're using it, so that you know where you left it. And that was a while ago, so I'm not sure where I left that 6. Ah, I see it. Let's verify. Yes. I'm big on verifying, so if I ask you something more than once, it's not that I'm not listening. I want to make sure. What if you looked at me and you said, I want a 10-ounce cup, but what you really meant to say was 12, and I'd come back with a 10-ounce cup? Well, you said 10-ounce cup. Instead, I'll just ask you, did you say 10 ounce or did you want a 12? And you'll be like, oh yeah, I wanted a 12. Thanks. 9 minutes left? Jesus. So we got one on. Now we gotta get the other one on. $16, $17, $18. Oh, it must have slipped a little bit more than I thought it did. That was 18 right there. Alright. Snap it loose. See if I can get the Allen free. Ali oxen Allen free. Yes, I got it back. Alright. Now, next test. You gotta use one of these super duper long axle bolts. Again, VMC sells them. They're $14 a piece. There you go. That means it'll go right on. Whoa, a lot of work. Alright, so we're done. What I'm gonna do now is give up the custom ground bushing, the spacer that goes on the brake side. Actually, it's supposed to be exactly like this. That's how you want it. You can grind it down or use a tubing cutter or a cutoff wheel. Those all work. Get you the right height that you want. And then put the nut on it. We're done. Send it and ship it. Alright, there you go. All done, Johnny. The time is 2:12. That's how long it took me to make it. So that's what you guys can expect when you make your own. Best of luck. No, I shouldn't be frivolously giving out money, Johnny, but I think you're going to like this shirt. I would love to see a little video of you riding this thing, too. Because you look like you're a happy guy, and you're going to build the heck out of that. So, Ronell, here's your goodies in there. It's in the carbon fiber. You can do what you want with it, but I really like it for electric tape. I cut it into strips and then wrap wire if I want. Looks awesome. Anyways, I'm going to finish wrapping this up and see if I can get it out of here today. Alright, so I wrap it, get some foam, and do the sandwich roll, so it's safe on both sides. And I bought this big roll of shipping plastic. Then I developed this technique for wrapping. No, I mean for wrapping packages. Razor blade. Remember when I told you guys I was given 9 rolls by mistake and I messaged the guy and he never replied back and now his store's closed? Well, I'm still giving away carbon fiber vinyl. Every purchase. That looks like that's enough.
It's been a golden afternoon. I remember having a million
All right. Now nobody knows what it is. And I get to share the wealth. It's not tight enough. that's much better. So then I do it reverse so I can get it tight. I like to seal them real tight so that the air stays in there and helps it from getting attacked whenever your mailman throws it on your porch, because he's got 700 more packages to do that day. Well, that's the job. Don't treat our stuff like crap. It's the job. Do your job. Do your job. Do your job. Okay, this is where I put the shipping label on. I've got 20 minutes to get this package printed and dropped off. What's up, hooker?
20 minutes, huh?
20 minutes. I gotta get this, Bry's, and then that extended swing arm out. I don't even remember who that swing arm is for right now. I gotta go and look at something.
Is it all on a CVS?
Yeah.
Okay, well, if you hurry, you can take the Avalon.
All right.
I need it.
Are you stealing the Sequoia?
No, I mean, I'm taking the Avalon, but I'm saying it's in the driveway, so if you need to be quick about it,
Yeah, okay, I get you.
yeah.
Yeah. And I gotta print it's only on this phone, so. But I lied. I still have 12 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and ship off one swing arm and 2 custom-made forks. I don't see him. I might have been late. Hopefully he's late. My monkey! Just missed the UPS man, huh? Damn. Oh well. Tomorrow.
That's it. He's not doing any more forks.
You heard it here. No more.